Hello there and welcome to Classic IT Support, where we want you to enjoy your computing experience. Today we're going to talk a little bit about scanning. All of us are familiar with desktop scanners, where you slide in a sheet of paper and you can duplicate it or copy it or scan a photograph into a document or create a PDF. We're all familiar with them, they're pretty well stock standard. But I want to show you something today that looks like a webcam. But it's not a webcam, it's actually a 3D scanner. So we've long left the days behind when we can just scan a sheet of paper. Now we can scan a 3D object. This looks like a webcam, but connected by USB to a reasonably powerful computer, we can begin now to scan any object in and then 3D print it. Now some items you can download from the internet, from Thingiverse or Thangs, and as in this bull there, we can bring it up on screen and then send it to a 3D printer and print it out, and that takes about 6 or 7 hours to print on a high-speed printer. It's one thing to have the technology as well as the printer to print any object, whether downloaded or created with your scanner, but the process involves filament. I have a spool of PLA filament here, 1.75 millimeters thick. It's made from cornstarch. There's different kinds of filaments for different kinds of purposes, and this comes on a spool. It's fed into the printer. It's heated up to 220 degrees, and the printer, in the course of several hours, is able to produce the object that you see on your screen. Now, your idea of using a 3D scanner to scan in yourself might not be a way to spend an afternoon, but it's an interesting exercise. I hope you found today's insight into 3D scanning, albeit brief, of some value. We've been involved in IT, I think, for about 35 years, but officially in business for 28 years. And in that time, we've really enjoyed being in the Avon Valley and the Wheatbelt area, and now based in Spencer's Brook, where we're able to provide services in all areas of country IT. And our customers have not only been customers, but they've become our friends as a vital part of the community. And so if you've got any questions or queries, or you'd like to see any topics covered, give us a call, send us a message, because we want you to enjoy your computing experience.